Cottage cheese's partner, pineapple. Surprised? Don't be. Pineapple isn't just sweet and juicy. It contains an enzyme called bromelain that helps break down protein and reduce muscle inflammation. When combined with high-protein foods like cottage cheese, bromelain actually improves protein absorption, helping your body use every bite more efficiently. Plus, the natural vitamin C supports collagen production, crucial for keeping your muscles connected to your bones and tendons. Tip: try blending cottage cheese, pineapple, and a little cinnamon for a muscle-repairing dessert that works while you sleep. Lentils. Number 7 is the humble lentil. 1 cup of cooked lentils offers 18 grams of plant protein, along with iron, magnesium, and potassium, minerals seniors often lack. These minerals are essential for maintaining muscle function, reducing cramps, and supporting steady energy throughout the day. Even better? Lentils are rich in resistant starch, which feeds healthy gut bacteria. A healthy gut is now known to support better muscle recovery and reduce whole body inflammation. Beets. Next up, a vegetable that Olympic athletes swear by, and now, so do geriatric researchers. Beets. Beets are high in nitrates, which your body converts to nitric oxide, a compound that increases blood flow to your muscles. More blood flow equals more oxygen, more nutrients, faster recovery. One 2022 study showed seniors who drank beet juice before walking had greater endurance and fewer aches compared to those who didn't. Try roasting beets or adding beet powder to a smoothie. Tofu. Don't underestimate this vegetarian classic. Tofu is a complete plant protein with around 10 grams per serving, and it's also high in calcium, iron, and isoflavones, which help maintain bone and muscle tissue. If you're sensitive to dairy or red meat, tofu offers a powerful, gentle alternative. Sauté it with olive oil and spinach, another muscle-friendly combo, and you've got a dish that's gentle on digestion, high in strength-building nutrients, and delicious too. Pumpkin seeds. Tiny, but mighty, pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats that support testosterone levels and fight inflammation. Just a small handful, about 1 ounce, contains 8 grams of protein, and is especially helpful for muscle cramps and recovery. Snack on them raw, roasted, or sprinkled on yogurt. Quinoa. At number 3. Quinoa. This ancient grain is one of the few plant-based foods that's a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's gluten-free, high in fiber, and packed with iron and B vitamins that help your muscles generate energy and repair. Swap out white rice or pasta for quinoa a few times a week to support muscle metabolism and steady blood sugar. Chicken thighs. Lean, affordable, and delicious, chicken thighs provide high-quality protein and a natural source of creatine, which supports energy inside your muscle cells. Dark meat also has more zinc and B12 than chicken breast, and it's easier to chew, a bonus for seniors with dental issues. Bake or grill them with herbs and olive oil for a low-effort, muscle-friendly meal. Collagen peptides. And finally, number 1. Collagen peptides. Not just for skin, collagen helps build connective tissue, tendons, and supports lean muscle in aging adults. It's easy to absorb, mixes into coffee or smoothies, and studies show it improves strength and joint mobility, especially when paired with resistance training. So there you have it, the top 10 most effective foods to rebuild muscle after 60. Don't wait until weakness shows up, start today. Because the right foods can mean the difference between depending on others, and staying strong, active, and independent for years to come. Now it's your turn. Which of these muscle-saving foods are already in your kitchen? Or are you planning to try something new after this video? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And remember, strength doesn't have an age limit. You just need to feed it right. Thanks for watching.